patients.
Time and time again, the governor has talked about the importance of contact tracers. It is a job that's integral in stopping the spread of COVID-19 and reopening the state's economy. Now, I spoke with Gino Jose about his job during this whirlwind of a time in history. Gino Jose's job has changed drastically in a month. As a regional epidemiologist for the North Dakota Department of Health, he studies and follows the pathways of diseases. He usually tracks salmonella or sexually transmitted diseases where few others are involved.
There's no such thing as a standard case when it comes to COVID-19.
Jose now leads a team of about 20 contact tracers who've been working around the clock investigating COVID-19 cases.
Contact tracing is key to control the spread, to stop the spread.
It's their job to investigate where a COVID patient has been, who they've come in contact with, identify hotspots, educate, and test. He says since North Dakota's first case, there have been highs.
Reaching out to that person and telling them, you have to social distance yourself or quarantine yourself for actually 14 days. That can save a workforce.
And there have been lows. The most difficult cases to pinpoint are COPD patients, or any patient really, who's always displayed the standard symptoms of COVID-19.
You can't really mark the day that they became symptomatic of COVID-19 due to the fact that they've had this respiratory symptom all along.
Jose says contact tracers don't just give up. They investigate, tracking every move a patient has made. Three important questions are, has the patient traveled? Has the patient been around anyone else who may have tested positive? Or have they been around anyone who was just sick? But when the answers are all no, those are the cases that hurt.
We just don't know where that smoking gun can lie. And that's the one that kind of plagues me, to where you just deem it a community acquired case and you move on. But as an epidemiologist, you just have this investigative brain that you can't really turn off.
Sometimes he says there is no choice but to move on, especially when there are so many other cases to work and even more to come. He says every time is of the essence to get critical data out. It's Jose and his team that are behind the scenes, yet on the front lines of stopping a pandemic. And Jose says they are really busy and could always use more workers. However, he says in his region anyway, he's confident they have enough to weather the storm. Governor Doug Burgum says at last check, there were 250 contact tracers statewide, but they are adding more every day. For the latest information on the coronavirus, including a recap of the governor's daily briefings, some case numbers and resources and prevention, visit our website, kxnet.com.